I did cut my own hair. Hey guys, it's Kira and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I make my key rings. They are on my Etsy shop. If you do want to purchase them or just check them out, it would be greatly appreciated. I'm trying to film, dude. This is my little workstation. Me and my granddad built the desk. And then to the left there I have a little trolley that is just full of more stuff down to the bottom. And I've got these shelves with other things in as well. In the bottom drawer I have some antibacterial wipes. I'll just clean the surface with them. I'll then use sanitizer and sanitize my hands. I do sell these bottles on my Etsy shop as well. I switched over to my other phone purely because I need this phone to use my Cricut machine. So I'm sorry if the quality is gone to pants. Load in Cricut design space, and at the top I click canvas and load in the picture with the name. Today is one of my old friends called Keyring, and I'm just removing the white background. And now I'm just going to resize it so it fits. We chose grey and navy blue. I'm getting the vinyl and lining it up on the Cricut mat. I'm going to click on mat as well as make sure it looks okay before continuing and connecting to my Cricut Joy. Then click which material I'm using. It's honestly so quick. I then click on load. Get my little spatula and try and take it off the mat. I have two layers, so one is name, one is the scribble thing, and I just flip them and repeat the process. Whilst it's cutting, I will get any tools that I need and all the cards that I use. I then write their name on the thank you card and put the cover back on the mat. Now I'm just wheedling and getting them ready for the acrylic disc. I put the name on one side and use the coloured blob thing on the other. Now for the fun part of putting everything together, and it's very fiddly, and I'm so glad that I've got pliers now because at first I was trying to use my hands and it just wasn't working. Now I'm just taking pictures for the listing and social media, and here is the final product. So that was how I make my keyring. That will go out tomorrow. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, be sure to like and subscribe, and see you guys next time. Bye.